am in my Power BI desktop, and I was preparing my report here, right? And I see that while I was using this map, I see that I am getting this error. Map and field map visuals are enabled for your organization. Contact your tenant admin to fix it. If I can see details, I can see this error. Uh, right? So if you are admin of your organization, right, and if you are struggling to fix this, then this video is for you. Now, one thing to note here is I am using my free trial. I have registered my email ID on my Office 365, right, and I get it, this one, this my email, right? So I am the admin of my account. So this tutorial will explain you how to fix this map error. And if you also just want to see how we can register, how we can get a free trial account, then I have attached the link in the description. You can just refer that. Now, to fix this error, you need to go to your powerbi.com, right? I have searched it here. Let me show you again, app.powerbi.com. This way you can sign in using this link. Now, once this page is loaded, you will see that here this is settings gear icon. Just click on it. If you scroll down, you will see admin portal option. Just click on it. Here you need to find out admin or tenant settings, right? Alternatively, if you don't find, then you can search it here as map, and you will see map and field map visuals, right? So you can see that disabled for entire organization. If you expand it, you will see this is disabled. Just enable it, right? And you will see a warning and applied changes. So what you have to do, scroll down and click on apply button. So changes are applied and tenant settings will be applied within next 15 minutes. That means changes are applied, but it will be reflected in 15 minutes. If you see here, if you will see that the same notification. Now just wait for 15 minutes and your changes will be reflected, and you will be able to see the map visual correctly.